In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D pop-out effect in Canva. This nifty technique allows you to make your images stand out, literally popping out of the frame. It's a fantastic way to add some flair to your designs, so let's jump right in and get started. First, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll see the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be prompted to continue using your account. Click Continue, and you should see your Canva dashboard loaded with all your projects. Now that you're in Canva, open the project where you want to add this effect. Select the image that you'd like to transform. Once you have it selected, you'll see an edit option. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is where the magic happens. You want to find the Magic Grab tool, which is perfect for separating your subject from its background. This is the key step to achieving that pop-out effect. After selecting Magic Grab, click on the subject or foreground of your image to isolate it. Then click the Grab button to make the effects apply. Now let's have some fun. Navigate to the Elements tab in the side panel and type in Polaroid frame in the search bar. This is the element we'll use to create that 3D effect, giving your subject something to pop out from. Browse through the options and pick a frame that suits your design aesthetic. Once you have your frame, adjust it and position it around your subject. It's crucial to click on the background and move it inside the frame, ensuring the subject appears to be leaping out of it. With the frame selected, click on Position and then Layers. Here you'll need to move the frame behind the subject. This is what gives the illusion that your image is popping out of its frame. Align the two elements carefully to fine-tune where your subject breaks the frame's boundary. You might need to adjust the subject size or position. Play around with these to ensure the subject looks naturally integrated into the frame. Feel free to resize elements to match the overall vibe you're aiming for, and remember to keep the design balanced by centering everything neatly on your canvas. And that's it. You've successfully created a 3D pop-out effect using Canva. Now your design should have that eye-catching quality that's sure to impress. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to explore more effects and get creative with your designs. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you found